Hi, welcome back to another Python Basics video. Today we're going to be talking about how we can change data types and also create user interaction using inputs. Let's get started. We have x is equal to an integer, 5. And say we want to convert this into something like this, a string version of that. We can do x is equal to strx. Okay, let's look at this. str. This is short for string. It'll take the parameter of the old x, not the one we're going to be defining, the old x from line 1, and converting that integer, and it'll turn it into a string, 5. So it'll get out the string version of it, like this. We prove to you this is a string. Obviously, when you print it, we're not going to get the quotation marks, so it'll show no different print value. But if you want to print something like an addition format, like x plus 3, you cannot add a string to an integer, so you'll get an error here. So, what can you do about this? Unless you want to take out the line, you can convert it back using the int, or integer. And then, if you do this, since it'll be converted back to an int, this should run smoothly. Sure, we get 8, because 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay, now, if we do this when you want to have a string, and this won't run, but we can do something similar, which will get you an error in the code, as you'll see. You put string 3. If you run this, you'll get 53 because it smashes the two strings together. Okay, what does it have to do with inputs? Let's see. So an input is a user interaction. You'll type input as your keyword, and inside you'll put the text that will be displayed for the input. Enter your name. To run this, I'll do enter your name, and I'll type in my name. End of program. You can actually use user interaction. And x is actually saved as John now. I'll show you. If you print x, and you can do John. Alright, cool. So what does that have to do with data types? Well, say you're making a calculator project that we'll actually make in the next video. We're making a calculator project, then we'll have to get an input, obviously. We'll write number 1. But if you do something like John, you can't have a string. Because if you have a string, you can't add it to something, as you saw before. So, you convert this to int, and you can enter string, but you can enter integers, but not strings. That will make a safe input. Again, value here, because you cannot convert John to base 10. There, it works. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we'll create a calculator project where you can actually do your math.